Hi sweetie, welcome to my channel, and to my returning subscribers, welcome guys. I love you guys. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can get rid of your face redness, or if you're trying to repair a damaged skin. I'll show you the products that you need. These products are not expensive, very cheap, and you can easily get them anywhere to get rid of that face redness. Face redness can be caused by using harsh products, or your face is too sensitive to that particular product you are using. There might be a particular ingredient in it that your face does not like that is causing that redness, or you've used whitening products for a long time. There's some bad face cream there or bad toner there that can damage your face. So in this video I will show you the products you can use, but first you need to know that you have to stop using those products. Okay, you need something that is moisturizing, that is hydrating, that will suit your face to bring your face back to its healthy state. Okay, the first one I'll be showing you is this koji berry here. The picture is on the screen. This is how it looks in the bottle. You see, it's small, but it will last you close to 2 months. I use just 1 or 2 drops of it. It will last you close to 2 months. It's a soothing serum. It contains herbs in it that help hydrate the face and suits the face. If you've used harsh products, just go and get this one. This here is very good. This one product, this koji berry, you can use it along with the face cream. The face cream is also on the screen, and they will help with that face redness. Or you can go and get this hyaluronic face cream. It's face cream. The picture is on the screen. If you can't see it, it comes like this in the bottle. You see, this here is very moisturizing. It's so hydrating. I love this a lot. It's help brighten the face, hydrate and moisturize the face. It plumps and reduce fine lines, improves skin dryness and skin texture, and it helps repair the face. Like, it repairs the face. It contains hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, niacinamide, and jojoba oil, which are great ingredients to help with face damage or face redness. They will help repair your face back to normal. It will help you. Just go and get this one. You don't need to buy too much products. This one contains all the things you need in one bottle. It contains everything you need in one bottle, and it's not too expensive. You can get this in any cosmetic store. I got this from, I think, yeah, Gender supermarkets. That's why I got this one. And you can get other cosmetic, you can check other cosmetic store, you get it there, or you can go to Gender or anyone that is close to you, you get it. Or you can just combine these two together. Is either you combine this with this koji berry with koji berry face cream, or you get this one and this together, because this will suit and this will hydrate and bring back the natural moisture of your face and help with the repairing of your face. Like, it will boost it very fast. And what I need to tell you, don't think you use this and still be using that your whitening products. No, it will not work. You have to stop using that whitening product that is causing it. You need to stop using a product that is damaging to your skin. The moment you notice a slight reaction, stop using it. Stop using it. It's best to stop using the product, or for it to now come in future to start spending a lot to bring your skin back to normal. Stop using it. It's not good. Don't use any body lotion on your face. Don't do that. Get a face cream. So if you're using these two products that I'm showing you, just know that you stop that whitening product you're using, that whitening serum, whitening face cream, or whitening blah 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 that you add into your skincare. Stop it totally and just use these two alone. And this here contains sunscreen. It's SPF 50 plus plus plus, but I don't trust the SPF in it. I still go ahead and use the sunscreen when I'm using it, because you need to protect your skin from the sun, especially if you have that redness or you're trying to repair your face. You need to use sunscreen daily. So you can use this alone if you can't get this, or if you can't get this and you're able to get this. And if you're unable to get these two products, go and buy face fat collagen serum. That is another serum that is very good. I've recommended that to a lot of people. That face fat collagen serum, the picture is on the screen, as you can see. Just get that and incorporate it into your skincare routine. Don't incorporate it into your whitening skincare routine, or using a whitening face toner, a whitening face cream, then you want to use the serum. No, you have to stop using those products for the time that you are treating your face. I'm not asking you to be using whitening products, and if you want to use, go for safe ones. There are good whitening face cream out there that has safe ingredients like alpha arbutin, kojic acid, etc. There are good ones out there, so just make sure you get a good face cream to use. Don't damage your face, especially when you're getting to your 30s. When you're 30s above, you don't need to use all these harsh products. You need to cut down on how you use them. If not, you damage your skin. Or if you can't get these ones, any product that you have that contains hyaluronic acid, just use it. It's hydrating because you need that hydration, and you need something that is soothing. Just go for soothing serum and hydrating face cream. These two will do the work for you. And if you can't get this, you can get the face fat. Like I said, the face fat is amazing. Like, it's so amazing. It's soothing and it contains um good ingredients too. And you can get face fat face cream along with it, because I don't get comfortable using serum alone on my face. I have to pair it with face cream to just, I don't know why I can't do that. I always pair it with face cream. So just get a face cream to use with the serum. If you're getting the face fat serum, buy face fat face cream, or if you can get this, use it. And if you're using this one, this koji berry, you can buy the koji berry face cream. I've showed you the picture. I've showed all the pictures of these products I'm talking about. You can just use them. And if you're able to get these two, this is the two that I use, because now I'm on a break. I'm not using any lightening products. So this is what I use to bring my skin back to healthy, back to normal. Like, I can't even stop using this face cream because I use it on the nights that I use retinol, because it contains good ingredients. Like, it's so moisturizing. I don't need to do 10 to 5 skincare routine. This alone contains a lot of ingredients in it. So I just use my retinol and this alone. And sometimes I use this because I'm minimizing the usage. I don't want to spend money. It's Xmas. I have other expenses that I want to spend money on. So guys, this is what you need. Please stop using that whitening lotion or whitening face cream on your face. Use the healthy ones and use sunscreen. Use sunscreen. It's very important. Use these two products morning and night, then you see your face in 3 weeks or in a month. People will start asking you, what did you use to bring your face back to normal? And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share. If you have any question or inquiry, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I'll reply all your comments. And if you're looking to purchase them, you can message me on WhatsApp or on Instagram. I will reply all your messages ASAP. Like ASAP, I'll reply you. Thanks for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.